How to change language in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change it. First of all, you must go to this website name workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon and here you can find a section called language. So you only get some limited language that you can switch into, Espanol and Portuguese. So in order to switch or in order to change the language, you can simply tap on them. Now as you can see, it has been completely changed. So the whole interface is changed now. You can easily switch back to English from the same language place and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.